Greetings and hello and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to talk to you about my 10-step system to turn your knowledge into profits. Today's video, I'm going to give you some of my best secrets, so let's jump right into it. The 10 steps to turn your knowledge into profits. So basically what we're talking about here is creating your first digital product. And the first step that you want to take in this 10-step system is discover what you're an expert at. Now, this should take about a day. And with some guided questions, you could really figure out exactly what type of digital product you should be creating and what topic you should focus on. And then step 2 is decide what type of digital product to create. And like I said, this should take about a day, and it is coupled with step number 1. And then step number 3 is you want to peel a piece of this product off to create a freebie. Now, this could take anywhere from 3 to 5 days. And what I mean by that is, if you know you want to create an ebook, right? And maybe what you want to do is peel off a chapter of that ebook and give it away to someone. That's creating a freebie. And this is going to allow you to build your audience. Because you see, the problem is most people go ahead and they move full speed ahead with creating a digital product before they even know if they have an audience for that product. And then they get disappointed when the product doesn't sell. So you want to peel off a piece of your product to create a freebie, right? Then you want to take a poll or run an ad and see who's interested in this freebie. You can also create a social media post and put it on all your social media profiles, and then start taking note of the people who say yes, that they're interested, and you can send them links to your freebie. But also you can run an ad, and I'm going to talk to you a little bit about that later on in the video. And then step number 5 is use this freebie to build your list. It should take about 3 days for you to, create like 2 pages. You need a basic landing page and a basic thank you page that you're going to deliver your freebie on. And so we talk about this a little bit more in the course, but it should take about 3 days or less to create. And you can always hire someone to do this for you if you're not very tech savvy. So you want to use that freebie to build your list, because like I said before, a lot of people launch their digital products before they even know if they have an audience that's interested in it. And that is the number one reason why people fail and their digital products don't sell, because they haven't tested it. They don't know if people even really want it. Now, step number 6 is you want to warm up your list to the idea of your digital products by delivering free training. Now, that's similar to what I'm doing right now, and you can do this. This can take up to about 14 to 30 days. So basically, you could deliver free training while you're actually building your product. And what you're going to be doing as a result of this is building your list, building your community, and warming them up. Okay? Step number 7 is you want to create your product. Now, this is going to take about 30 days, but you can launch without creating your product. I call that the invisible launch. You may not have your product created yet, but you launch it as you go. You launch it live. So we go into full details with regards to how you can do that in the Turn Your Knowledge into Profits course and coaching program. Then step number 8 is you want to host your digital product digitally. I have a few preferred resources that I like to use, like Leadpages and Kartra, and I go into depth into this in the course. And you learn more. And then step number 9 is decide what type of launch you want to create, because there are multiple different types of launches, and I go into depth into that in the course, and you decide which type of launch you want to have. And then the next thing you do is you launch your product to eager buyers. And this is really some key launch secrets, and we're going to talk about that in depth in the Turn Your Knowledge into Profits course and coaching program. Now, The real secret to success in launching a digital product and turning your knowledge into profits is building an audience. You must build an audience because this is truly not a field of dreams. You don't want to build the product and then hope that people will come. You want to build the list and know that people want what you have first. So now I want to go about showing you exactly what I do to build my audience before launching a course. And I'm going to do that by taking you right inside of my dashboard of Kartra and show you how it's done. Okay, so now you see my dashboard in Kartra, and you can see this particular list. This list I created is an audience of people that are interested in learning how to monetize their expertise. So it's easy for me to conceive that people that are interested in learning different ways to monetize their expertise will definitely be interested in turning their knowledge into profits. So basically, you can see here that I've had this list actually for a minute, but I just recently started building it because of really aggressively building it because I am planning to launch this course. So as you can see, in the month of July, I added 463 people to this list. And then in the month of August, which today is August 9th, and I've already added 50 additional people to this list. And it's a strong list because of the total 560 people that actually said they were interested in monetizing their expertise, only 18 of them have unsubscribed, which is just pretty incredible. And if 10% of these people actually join the Turn Your Knowledge into Profits course and coaching program, that will be about 54 or so people that will be a part of the course. And, I really, honestly am looking for a smaller number of people, but that is a nice size. That would be a nice return on that particular list. That would be a nice, group of people that have said that they're interested. So I just wanted to show you that this is exactly what you're supposed to do. You are really supposed to build the audience first and then actually create the product. Now, you may be wondering, what did you do, Tony, to get these people to sign up for your 25 ways to monetize your expertise guide? Well, I actually ran an ad, and I want to show you exactly what that ad looks like. So here is the Facebook ad that I used, and it was just a picture of me looking directly into the camera and basically telling people that the world is waiting for their expertise, their knowledge, and they're waiting for them to show up, and that they can download my guide at no cost. And basically you can see here that I got like quite a few comments and quite a few shares, and this ad is actually doing really well. But these are the types of things that I go into in the How to Turn Your Knowledge into Profits course and coaching program. And that's why I want to impress upon you to really join the VIP waitlist and discover how to turn your knowledge into profits. And basically, we're launching and going live on August 20th, and I hope to see you inside of the course and coaching program. You take care, and I will see you inside of the course.